What are you supposed to tell your pirate?
Swab the deck. Swab
To do what?
To the swab.
Swab
to clean the deck.
Do what?
To clean the deck. Swab.
I'll pay your life because we need tonight. Don't be listening to the boast of this cross-eyed cowboy. Design takes the world to plunder and destroy. Beat by a sands, Jose Guitar, no equal to be seen. You'll know we buy the flag I fly and be the color green. These worthless scoundrels cannot measure up to me. Tortuga to the Spanish makes his island rules the sea. I'm on the reputation of already legendary. I took it to whole flag my eyes across the sky because we are in right. Hey, go! Purple Crown! Bury them at sea. No sailor boy alive would dare compare himself to me. I still got the river ride. I'm putting them full circle. These men call me the Saxon. Go! Always back on. Get out, crew! They call me the swordsman. I'm not fit off the boat. How did they take a look with me on Sunday? It's a ghost. Oh, yeah. The Barbary ghost of nothing. Quite the fellow. And it's only all the swordsman. I'm coming to always. Yo! This marching path of pirate dogs now all have had their say. No! And each black-hearted one of them will bow to me one day. No way! Poor as Benjamin, the youngest of the crew. Raise my pipes from a boy, my colors are gold. here. Now, Mr. McGee, we shall begin.
Aye! Oh, silent! Well, the great and fearsome Captain Sebastian the Black reads from the great and secret pirate book, Yarg!
Arr!
Well, now that that's out of the system, now you find a group here, but none of you saluting your captain, so let's give a salute, eh? Oh, perfect, wonderful. The spirit's there at the top. Now, follow Mr. McGee. He will teach you the proper decorum. He follow everything he does, right? Right, wonderful. All right, now. Ye who stand before the book, swear to take by hook or crook. Anything your heart should need and live and die by the pirate's creed. This promise is now made by you to your captain. You'll be true. Now I know something's up. All right, now, to fly the flag of Skull and Bone, or walk the blade to Davy Jones. All right, there, that's enough of that. Everyone rise for the pirate's oath. On your feet. All right. On your feet, Captain. Raise your hand and repeat after me. Aye.
Aye!
Your name.
Your name!
Swear to be a good pirate.
Swear to be a good pirate.
Pirate. To pillage and plunder. To pillage and plunder. To sail the seas of adventure.
To sail the seas of adventure. Aye!
McGee, don't help. Oh. To eat all my vegetables.
To eat all my dessert. Chocolate cake.
Help me.
So help
You, congratulations, you're now pirate.
Hey! Arr!
Now get off my ship. All right, I'm through. Get off my ship, I will throw you. No, good pirate. Ah, you've got a lot of spirit on it. You have a lucky boy. Oh, very good. Very good. How this? Now, please.
I don't know where they're at either.
I want to watch. On your feet. What's this?
I'm the daughter of a king and peasant. My father's soldiers have trained me well, and I am fearless.
Are you now? Hey!
your move. Oh!
I got it.
Luna, resave yourself! Oh, princess.
Have you not learned anything after all these years? I did learn one thing, Captain. Always have a dirty trick up your sleeve. Soldiers, attack! Attack now!
What is
Ladies and gentlemen, rise and cheer for the true heroes of today. Your children, the King's Soldier. Rise and cheer! Now, surrender your ship, Captain Sebastian the Black.
But we... It's fine.
Benjamin the Blue.
My captain.
But what about Mr. McGee?
Mr. McGee, now that I'm in charge, you can help.
Wait. Has anyone seen Luna, the mermaid? Do you have any way of calling her back? There she is! And you kept your promise.
And I'll keep my final promise. I'll return you to the shore. That way you can live the rest of your life as a princess.
So where do the girls go?
Mr. McGee,
Aye, lass.
please send word to the king. Tell him I am taking an extended voyage at sea. Tell him I am safe. Tell him I'm being protected by a hero.
You would give up the life of a princess